Be sure to buy your copy of Before the Badge, everything you need to know before you become a cop. Available at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and wordsmatterpublishing.com. All right, let's watch this one together. And keep in mind, as you watch this, this is not the intro to a blacked.com video. 4 other guys are not going to come out and take turns hollowing her out over the squad car. I thought they were when I first saw this. I'm like, shit, how did I open up my, whatever. Let's take a look at this and then evaluate it together.
Stand up. Right there on the front of the car. Stay.
I ain't doing shit. Got gun right there. I'm not doing that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm saying we just saying, oh, yeah, fuck. I'm not, oh, my God. Okay. Oh, my fuck. Oh, my God. Oh, God.
You want it again?
No, man.
Shut the You was big and bad. Shut your
Listen, I know a lot of you guys like to go into the comments section and you all say the same thing. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Well, let's see the rest of the video. What else happened? All this. I know a lot of you who are in law enforcement love to hate on me because why am I being so critical? It's not all cops. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it fucking is. In a matter of days, we're coming into 2024. And there are still police officers, men and women. Number one, in my opinion, this female gives her department more fucking headaches than you guys could possibly imagine. If I had to slander her or guess shit, I will guess you that she's fucked half the department. She is 100% fucked criminal. She's arrested, and she just gets off on this shit. I bet you 100% her uniform is soaked. And if you guys think that's full of shit, you have no idea the mentality of some of the people who have badges and guns on your street. She's done this before, clearly. It's somebody who has no problem taking... This guy allowed her to take her into custody by herself, which, again, I can go all over the place. That didn't seem right to me in the first place either. Apparently, he got arrested for trafficking fentanyl, and he had a gun on him, and he allowed her to take herself into custody instead of running. You know, if anything, I want to be so dead wrong that this wasn't just a PSYOP plan to just outrage again a riot, right? We're coming up on election season, so maybe that's what this has to be, right? It has to be. I want to think that is the case because this is so fucking insane to see a white cop by herself as a female take a large black man into custody, and then, although it's legal, she has the lawful authority, if she can articulate it, to use a taser, baton, OC on a handcuffed subject. She can. She knows she's being filmed, and she does this, and that's the language she's using in the process. Guys, yeah. For citizens and cops, number one, cops, it is all you cops. It's all cops. Because for some strange reason, you guys haven't had the fucking talk with your department where you've taken each other off to the side and say, you ever do shit like this to me on the street and I'm on a call with you like this, I'm going to beat the fuck out of you and then lose my job. Until all cops, I'm talking, this is Alabama. So until all the cops in the tip of far northwest Washington State and far northeast New York start looking at these hillbilly backwood police officers who get away with so much shit all the way in the South or in the Midwest or you name it, until they all start going, this is fucking insane and unacceptable. It's all cops. It's everyone. It's 2024 in a matter of fucking weeks, and this shit still happens, so the command staff needs to be held accountable. Honestly, the federal government, we know they're not going to do shit. The people need, instead of you guys fucking constantly talking about protesting your federal government, you should be standing inside of your police departments demanding every sergeant, every commander, every lieutenant, every fucking brass wearing badge fucking toting little bureaucrat cocksucker is investigated to the fullest to explain why they know she's done this shit before and she's still on the street. See, you guys still You still let your command staff get away with this. That's why these fucking criminals are on the street like this. And I'm talking cops, not the guy in cuffs. This is not going to stop. There are daily videos out there of cops doing this. It's not a gender issue in this one, but I can guarantee you this fucking broad has caused our department more headaches than fucking anybody knows what to do with. And they've been looking for a reason to get away, to get her out of there. But the other problem is, a lot of you in the comment section are going to be good. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Back the blue. You're empowering a system that is going to work against you. And I can't wait till it happens. I'm going to be sitting fucking smoking a cigar, enjoying the show when cops that, you supported pull over your mom for running a red light and then just baton her to death. But she didn't do nothing because she had a sticker on the back of her car that said, support her local FOP, all this shit. But, play stupid games, win stupid prizes, because you don't realize the fucking criminal animals that have badges out there. I don't get it. 2024, in a matter of days, and still today, we have brain dead psychopaths wearing badges on the street. And until this is eradicated, it's not a few cops anymore. It is the entire system. The entire fucking system. Because so many of you on that department, in that county, in her personal life, you all knew that this is what she was like. Again, I'm hoping to God that somebody comes out and says, dude, we were filming a porn. That's not what this was. This has to be fake. Or it's a federal government psyop, and it's all a bunch of bullshit, right? Now, they did this because they want to sit there, plant that seed, and get another fucking riot in Alabama. There's no way this can be real. It just can't be. But if it is, there's no excuse. She needs to go to fucking prison. She needs to. You need to start making the example just as bad as you do on criminals. Yeah, this is a Derek Chauvin case. She did this because she fucking could. Guarantee you, this fucking broad got wet doing it. She's done it before, and many of you out there know she's done it. So until that knowledge of one and knowledge of all spreads up and cops start going, we need to change bad. Yeah, every cop is going to be labeled a domestic terrorist from shit like this. Guys, I'm not sorry for this, a viewpoint, but this is just, there's no excuse for this. Be safe out there. See you in the next video.